Go to the Tools panel of Photoshop, select the Triangle tool, or one of the other shape tools. Make certain it's shape, also fill, set to red, green, etc. and quickly create a shape. Now you can see it over here and it's a triangle. However, what I'm going to do, create an action. That's in the window menu. Make certain on the right side, just go here, right side, allow tool recording. Make certain that's on. Go down to here, the little plus, and that starts recording. So record, and now I'm going to duplicate it. So just go to the move tool, and I'm going to duplicate the current shape. And that's the key thing, the current shape, current selected shape, and create multiple copies. Now I could create 15, 20, but I'm just going to create a few. And I'm going to stop the recording. Just go down there, click, and now they've all been recorded. I'm just going to remove them. Because what you can now do, you can just go here and maybe select, say, the rectangle tool. One of the other ones. And I can change the colour. Don't have to go with that. Maybe go with blue. And then with that selected, that's the key thing, needs to be selected. I can actually play that action back. So just go back to that action, just there, and just go down here and click. And you can see straight away you get all of your designs applied again. However, if you haven't got anything selected, say you go here and you say, oh, nothing selected, then you run it, it will come up with an error. Stop. It needs to have something currently selected. With that selected, it can be anything. It could be any shape whatsoever. So maybe circles instead. Just again, press, and you've got that design. Hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.